Welcome to Mastering the Present Perfect Continuous Tense. Let's delve into the intricacies of the present perfect continuous tense and discover how it enriches our language. The present perfect continuous tense describes ongoing actions that started in the past and continue into the present moment. It's formed by using have been or has been, followed by the present participle, ing form of the main verb. For example, I have been studying for 3 hours, or she has been working on her project all morning. To form the present perfect continuous tense, we use have been or has been, depending on the subject, followed by the present participle, ing form, of the main verb. This tense emphasizes the duration of an ongoing action up to the present moment. For instance, they have been waiting for the bus for over an hour, or he has been practicing the piano since he was a child. Now, let's practice forming sentences in the present perfect continuous tense to illustrate ongoing actions that started in the past and continue into the present. Thank you for joining us on this journey to master the present perfect continuous tense. Don't forget to subscribe for more language insights and tips. See you. Bye.